450 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And the war is still going on. Yes. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, December the 30th, 2024. We have one day to go to end of the year. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. We have also in this daily newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. So the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku number 9813. 9813. Before I start, I always kind of print the digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. 1 digit more, should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Alright. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers in the last column is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then let me see. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 there. In this big square we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the last column, so no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 and a 3 in the third row, so no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes at there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. Oh, yeah. So the first row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row, the only place left, the 3 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the row below, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And now, 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Two missing numbers in the first row. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then let's see. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then let me see. Yeah. The 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column 3, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Then yeah. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, so 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place 11, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So on that row, the only place 11, 8 should be there. 8 in the 6, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only place level 8 should be there. Then let me see. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Then let me see. Yeah. Need a 5 here. Well, we have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in the third box. So no 5 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column 3. The second column, the only place left on 9 should be there. So here we have 2 missing numbers, the 4 and the 6. Here we have a pair, the 4 and the 6. So this can't be 6 anymore. This box will be a 1 then. That box will be a 6. 1 box left in this row for number 1. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 6. Yeah. Here we have a pair. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, no, only 2 places left, the 7 should be here. Oh, there we have 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing here. 4 and the 6, we have a 4 now. In this column, no 4 there. 4 and should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and the 6, we have 4. In the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. And 4 and the 6, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 10 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.